Alright guys, this is the tutorial for how to respond to each other's videos that you've made in Flipgrid. So here I am at our 6th grade English Flipgrid. I'm going to go ahead and click Login with Google. I am using my Cottonwood account to log in. And then it's going to show me our grid. Right now we just have this one video topic, and if you scroll down you can see that a bunch of you have made intro videos, which are pretty awesome. Nice hat, Ella. I used that hat in one of my videos too. Alright, so I'm going to just pick Nico. So hopefully you saw in Nico's video that there's a little green messaging button on the middle of the bottom of the screen during his video. I'm going to play the video again, and I'm going to click on that button, and that's the button that I use to respond to someone. It's going to ask you if you want to use your webcam and microphone. And there we are. Now I'm going to record a response to Nico's video. Hi Nico, so good to see your face in your video. Thanks for sharing with us what you've been doing. A lot of people said that they're playing video games, that they're just bored at home and playing video games while we're quarantined. What video games are you guys playing? I'm going to click next. Hi Nico, so good to see your face in your video. Have the chance to preview my video and either move forward or go back and re-record. I'm going to take my selfie. And then I'm gonna put some kind of accessory. I'm gonna put this explorer hat on my selfie. There we go. I'm exploring. I'm gonna prepare my video just like it did the first time. I'm going to title it Response to Nico, and I'm going to submit my video. So now when we go back to Nico's video, you're going to see that there's a response from somebody down here that we can click on and see what they're saying. Let's do another one. Andrew. Andrew is also bored. Oh, here we go. Okay, Andrew's video was really short, 1 second. I'm going to just record a response. Andrew, thanks for making a video in response to the Flipgrid assignment. I really wish we could have seen your face, but if you're not going to show your face in your video, can you show us something cool? I don't think we all want to be looking at your ceiling. Thanks. Andrew, thanks for... Alright, I'm going to take my selfie. Oh, response to Andrew. And submit video. Now you can see my response down here whenever we're looking at Andrew's video. Alright guys, hopefully you understand how to leave responses for each other. In this week's assignment, I'm asking you to respond to at least 3 of your classmates' videos. Remember, our grid is all of the 6th grade students that I teach. So there are about 70 kids that might have videos in this Flipgrid. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a student that's in your period of English that you respond to. You can respond to anyone, but please keep your responses polite and respectful. It's okay to be funny, but we're not being mean, okay? If you are being mean, you will be blocked from Flipgrid. Alright guys, happy responding!